This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynn Miller. Charming ranch that is move-in ready. Current owners have done many improvements and updates: new roof September 2020, renovated kitchen, updated baths, new hot water heater 2019, new home office space and separate workshop in converted garage, sliding doors from den open to back deck, yard, new vapor barrier and vents in crawl space. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout with tile in kitchen and baths. Separate utility room west/additional storage. Great floor plan, open living room, dining area plus den and home office or flex space. This home shows true pride of ownership, and it's just blocks to the beach. For more information, review the details below.